I came here so that I can be part of a bigger picture to make a difference within those communities. Knowing that these children only have this one box to open for Christmas, it is deeply heart-wrenching that we are able to bring that kind of joy to those faces. And seeing these kids get super excited about a tube of toothpaste. We see a lot of these impoverished communities, and the upliftment of these communities is part of our social responsibility. It is about spreading that gratitude, and therefore I brought my entire team to come and experience this day so that we can be grateful for everything that we have.
Oh, it's been an awesome time. I feel so fulfilled. It's such a heartwarming experience just to do good. So today was all about charity, because I believe charity begins at home.